Received an iPhone 15 Pro Max from a fan. The exterior looks almost brand new. There are barely any signs of use. So, what exactly is wrong with it? Turns out, it belongs to a female fan. Let's check the settings under about this iPhone. It's a 512GB Chinese version of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, let's examine the issue she described. Opening the camera, the 1x, 2x, and 5x zoom levels all have vertical lines. What kind of strange malfunction is this? Let's take a random photo. Now, let's zoom into the vertical lines appear on the photos as well. Some people just watch quietly, but the real legends like comment, share, repost, and follow. People like that are so adorable. So, what causes camera damage like this? If you use a smartphone, today's video will be helpful for you. Many of you have probably been to a karaoke bar or concert. It's common to take out your phone to record moments, right? Let's open up the phone and take a look inside. This is the first time it has been opened. Everything is clean and neatly arranged. At concerts and KTVs, laser lights are everywhere. Lasers are highly directional and very powerful. In fact, lasers are common in daily life. For example, automobile laser radars. When a laser directly hits the camera, it creates an intense heat spot on the CMOS sensor, burning the light-sensitive components instantly and causing permanent damage. The fan insisted on replacing it with an original Apple camera. Some people just watch quietly, but the real legends like comment, share, repost, and follow. People like that are so adorable. Have you ever seen a genuine Apple rear camera module? Just like Apple's batteries and back glass, they come in a plain white box. Let's compare them. So why choose a genuine part instead of a used one? What are the benefits of an original Apple camera? Today, I'll tell you something you won't hear anywhere else. The damage happened because the laser hit the CMOS sensor. Smartphones, cameras, and security cameras are all vulnerable to laser exposure. So, can it be avoided? At the end of the video, I'll share a simple trick to protect your phone. After replacing the camera and cleaning the dust, we reassemble the phone. Now, let's talk about laser wavelength sensitivity. The CMOS sensor in our cameras detects light in the 350 to 1050 nanometers range. Car laser radars operate at 1550 nanometers, which is harmless to the human eye but can still be detected by CMOS sensors and burn them out. Many cars now use laser radar. When taking photos near vehicles, be extra cautious. Similarly, KTV and concert stage lights can also damage CMOS sensors, so always be careful. Sometimes the damage appears as black lines, sometimes as colored stripes, or even as full-screen distortions. Apple's rear cameras are encrypted, but is it just about security? After replacing the camera and running diagnostics, you'll notice that it's different from screen and battery replacements. Halfway through the process, a camera interface pops up. This is the most critical step. This calibration adjusts 37 different parameters, ensuring the new camera functions perfectly. That's why third-party replacements can't match the quality of a genuine Apple part. Every iPhone has slight variations in how the camera module fits into the casing. This calibration process ensures it aligns correctly. After installation, the settings show genuine Apple part. Taking another photo, no more vertical lines. Tapping on the part details, it confirms original parts and repair history. Apple's official website even allows you to verify repair records. Finally, after securing the last two screws, let's check the final repair result.